beautiful angels, welcome back to Nails by Lashacey. So in today's video, this is going to be an unboxing. Okay, so let me start from the beginning. So on one of my recent videos, Sammie from SammieJoNails had commented saying that she liked, on my Smiley's glitter haul, she said that she liked the, you know, the bricks. She said that she would have bought them, but she wouldn't have known what to do with them, kind of thing. So I messaged her on Instagram saying to her, well, I'm not going to use the whole tub, do you want me to send you some, kind of thing. So she said yes, and then asked me if I wanted to do, what is that? She asked me if I wanted to do like a mail swap, friend mail swap, so I agreed to it. She received hers, I think it was yesterday. I got mine today. Then she'd messaged me saying that she felt so bad that she felt that she hadn't sent me enough. So she ordered me a couple of things from Amazon. One came this morning and the other one just came not long ago. So with the first one, I opened because I thought it was something that was for my daughter, well, that I'd ordered for my daughter, but it's not. So yeah, I'm not gonna show you the front because it has my address on it. Sugar, nearly dropped that. I'm so clumsy. Not the best. Oh, so she's put in this cute little card. Les, thank you for doing this. I can't read. Thank you for doing this friend swap with me. Hope you like everything. All the glitter mixes I made especially for you. Smiley face. I am so excited to do this. Lots of love, Sammie Jo. Kiss kiss. Oh, bless you. Well, thank you very much for asking me. I feel very honoured because this is my first swap. I've done the you know, the money swap, but nothing like this. So let's do this one first. So these are foils. I got gloves on because I was stressing out. I bit my nails off. Yeah, I'm planning to do them today if I can be bothered. I haven't slept at all, you know that. So there's this holographic rose foil. Can we just take a minute to appreciate my background? How lovely is that, eh? Okay, let's go back into this. Okay, so a lace foil. Then we have this swirly holographic one. I love anything sparkly, anything holographic. Oh, this is unusual. I mean, it's not unusual. You'll either see it as bronze, but this is like a holographic bronze, and I actually don't have a foil like that. Then we have this one. I want to say that's like a giraffe print. Correct me if I'm wrong. That's cute. Okay, we have another rose one, just holographic, beautiful. I have a black lace. I might even in, yeah, that's better. Then, oh, I didn't do this one. I know for a fact I've got this one. So it's a white flower with black dots in the middle. They are really cute. This one, I have this one. But do you know what? I was doing my daughter's nails, not this time, I think the last time, and of the foil that I have of this, I literally used all the blue flowers in it, so thank you very much for hooking me up with that. And then this marble, which is really pretty. I'm not going to sit here and put them back in the bag. I don't have the patience for that. I've got a folder anyway, but I will put those in. Then we have another little baggie. Okay, so these are neon little stars. Cute. And then I was counting how many sides that star has. There's eight-sided star with these cute little clouds. Yeah, that's lovely. I like that a lot. Thank you very much. And then some, I can't think straight away. It's like I'm very delayed at the moment. It's lack of sleep, so I'm so sorry. Neon, that's the word I was looking for. Neon hexagons. Now, Sammie had commented in my A&A glitter that she liked the hexagons. So I sent her that pot. So yeah, that's those. And then I have all different coloured diamonds or rhombus, whatever you want to call it. Shall I put my light on? Do you think that will help? That's better, isn't it? Why didn't I think of that before? Okay, and there's some pink and purple unicorns. Cute. These are nice. I think I've actually seen these on Charlie's nail art. They're white and black. The white ones are matte, the black squares are holographic with like these. My camera ain't gonna pick it up. And then you get the cutouts in there as well. They are funky, I like them a lot. And then some yellow and pink, like iridescent moons. Cute. And these, I've got some of these. These, I think these were from what do you call her? Charlie's nail art. They are the, you're not going to see the holographic. They what are they called? My mind is just so bad right now. Cupid. And they're holographic, they're so pretty. So thank you very much for those. Then she said on the card that she'd mix these glitters for me. do love me some glitter. So this is a red holographic multi-cut. No, I thought I saw a heart then. Yeah, can you see that? Probably not. Then we have a pink. I love pink. Pink's not my favourite colour, but I just tend to always gravitate to pink nails. This is really pretty. So it has like an iridescent. It's fine. It's another multi-cut. I see some hexagons in there as well. That's pretty. Do you know, I've said it a few times, I absolutely love anything that is handmade, whether it be a handwritten card. I mean, obviously it's going to be handwritten, isn't it, if you're writing a card, but you get what I'm trying to say, or anything just handmade. I love all that. So to know that you've gone out of your way to mix these for me, it makes them very special. Then we have this one. This is really pretty. So we have some yellow circles, and it's like there's a rainbow. Oh, and there's some fine, these are mixed, some fine white in there. There's little bits of pink. Let's open it. That's so pretty. I like that. Beautiful for Easter coming up. Then we have this one. This is like blue. And it has, what is that? Something purple holographic in there. Oh, look. Excuse me, I just burped. Well, there's some mylar in there, and there's some, God, the lighting is just ridiculous, isn't it? There you go. Some smiley faces. And there's some hexagons in there as well. Cute! Really cute. Then we have this one. This is a beautiful colour. So this is like a pink, and it's got gold in it. And it's got holographic gold, hexagons, them rhombus and them strands. Do you know what, I really like that. That's very pretty. Very pretty indeed. And then we have this blue one. God, there's nothing that makes me more happy than glitter and hollow. It's just everything. Oh, and it's got some iridescent hexagons in there. Cute. I really, really appreciate you going out of your way, Sammie, to mix these glitters for me. Honestly, it makes it so special. You make me feel special. Thank you very much. How am I doing for time? God, I'm so slow. Do you know this is going to have to be a two-parter because my memory is not the greatest at the moment. So I will show you these, and then I will have to come back for a part 2. Unfortunately, I'm so sorry. So we have some elephants, water decals. Elephants are my favourite animal, and these are my first ever water decals with elephants on it. So I love them. Thank you very much. Then we have some feathers. cute. Some flowers, really pretty. Oh, I like those. I'm showing you, sorry. I'm just looking at them, I'm not looking if I'm in frame. I've got these, I think. I used them on my daughter. Whoops. They're pretty, they're gold. And some more flowers. Love them. Kitty cats. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. I like that a lot. Animal print. Another one. It's cute. They're really pretty. Some peacock feathers. I love them. Gorgeous. And then some more animal print. Oh, I like those a lot. Thank you very, very much. Right, I'm going to have to do a part 2 because I've still got 2 packages to show, and my memory is not my memory. I mean, we all know that. The memory on my camera's running very low, so I'll have to do this in a part 2. Or do it in part 2. Anyway, again, Sammie, I just want to thank you very much for all the cute little bits that you sent me. So yeah, look out for part 2. Bye bye.